We could let this love be the fading sky. We could drift all night to the new sunrise. Pass me a drink or maybe two, one for me and one for you, and we'll be free, 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 free.
Here comes corner winds and the changing tide. We better drop them sails and get inside. When will the weather ever let us go? I guess we'll have to wait until the trade winds blow, and we'll be free, 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 free.
There's nothing in between what we are, what we see. There's nothing in between what we are, what we see, what we are. We are just on a lifeboat sailing home
with our drunken hearts and our tired bones.
But I just take one last look around.
Yeah, and every place feels like a familiar town. And now we're free, free.
Don't you wanna be
free? From time to time a little free. And I'm free.
I know you're
free.
Feels so good to be
free. Free.
Moon comes up and the moon goes down. Another sleepless night, another sleepless town. I got you, I got you. Whenever I think about what I lost, I change my mind instead to what I still got. 'Cause I got you, said I got you. You can call me Papa, and I'll call you baby. Don't forget your mama's mine, baby too. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be there. I'll be there for you. Soon enough, you know I'll be around. But that ain't soon enough, 'cause it ain't right now. And I need you. I said I got you. When you close your eyes and you drift to sleep, from time to time I hope you run into.
See the red light come on and it starts counting down?